Hey guys, hope you are doing well. So after the FOMC meeting, the market just plummeted and the overall sentiment is quite bearish now, but this is not the end of the world because we already knew that maybe a soft landing is out of the cards. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX and from the CryptoMinds Global movement, and I am bringing you the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems to keep you updated and educated about the evolution of money and the evolution of the internet. So guys, smash those like, push the bell notification or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. Smashing those like is helping out the YouTube algorithm, so appreciate all your likes. And also I should state that nothing in this video is a financial advice, everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. Always do your own research and make your decisions based on your research, and also analyze your financial conditions, and this is how you should invest in crypto, and also taking full responsibility. So let's go and check out our favorite bubble chart. Let's see what's happening. So Bitcoin is almost 0 plus 0, so not too much changed in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is getting closer to 1600,000, and also we see few altcoins are correcting like Kaspa, Rollbit, Rune, Immutable X, but they pump really well, and others are just climbing like Conflux, Curve, and XRD, and also Link and Algorand and FTT. I don't know why is FTT is pumping the dead exchange coin, but still there. So let's go and check out our favorite indicator, the crypto fear and greed index. Let's see how the investor sentiment looks like. So it is at 43, so we are still in the fear zone. Not too much changed in the past, let's say, a couple of months. Let's go and check out our first news. Bitcoin fails to recap post-Fed losses as 20,000 US dollar BTC price returns to radar. So Bitcoin is a bargain for some at current levels, but downside BTC price predictions remain firmly on the agenda because they want that Bitcoin to go to 20,000 as they want to buy more. So Bitcoin analysis hype, FOMO, and the slow grind to 28,500. So something like this over the course of October would be perfect, I would say. Popular trader crypto Tony told this. Okay, so grind up to 28,500, followed by hype and FOMO to then dump it once more. So he expects that Bitcoin will go to 28,500. This is quite interesting because most of the short positions have their liquidations level at those levels, and that could trigger a huge let's say short squeeze here, and then the price would pump because closing short means that the buying orders in the order book, and then plummeting back to these ranging levels. So what else? The 21 week and the 200 week moving averages are on a collision course for a death cross on the BTC weekly candle. So the 50-week moving average may provide some temporary support and even trigger a short-term rally, but if price action takes us there, it will print a lower low, which I believe opens the door to grind down to test 20,000 US dollar. So this is the 21 week and the 200 week moving average crossing now. Actually we don't use this so frequently, so we rather use the 50 and the 200 week moving averages, and they already crossed. And then so we understand that if there is no more power, then we can visit to 20,000. Okay, that's purely speculative. Yes, traders eye bargain BTC price levels. Doesn't get much simpler than this. Bitcoin early and late bull market in green, bear market ends in red. So we will watch this on Twitter because I shared this, and Historically, the post-bottom consolidation phase has been a great time to buy. So these are bottoms and post-bottom consolidations, or pre-bull market consolidations, and then bull market. Per data monitoring on CoinGlass, we see that we are still in green in September, and this is rare because it used to be red. So guys, let me know in the comment section what is your feeling, that in which direction Bitcoin will go, to 20,000 or 30,000, which will be reached first. Next piece of news is Bitcoin's next move up will be explosive, says crypto analyst, but there is a catch. Credible Crypto says that corrective structures are typically downward sloping movements that correct or retrace a portion of their impulse. Impulse movements are trending moves that advance price in the direction of the trend. This is why sideways corrections after an impulse move are so bullish, because rather than getting a typical retracement, a lack of sellers and strong demand just moves price sideways rather than down until the next impulse. This is a sign of strength. So you know what's more bullish than that? When a corrective structure grinds up and an advanced price, instead of retracing the prior impulse or going sideways, now instead of going sideways we actually move up, what I like to call vertical accumulation. In this case, a lack of sellers and consistent demand makes price grind up during corrections, a time when typically we would expect price to move down or even sideways. Remember, this is technically a corrective move, despite how bullish it is moving. So a move down to anywhere about the start of the impulse, it is correcting. The one of the chart I have shown here is still possible. However, I think the only way we will get there is some extreme volatility and forced selling liquidations to force us down and through the active buyers below. All this is to say that the next move up should be explosive regardless of where this correction ends, whether that be in the mid 26,000 or lower, if we manage to get some quick liquidations. So he's talking about this, but actually we dropped back since that. Okay, so surprising strength, but we already lost it. So next piece of news is US anti-CBDC bill. So anti-CBDC bill moves a step closer to passing. So this is not for CBDC but anti-CBDC. CBDC Anti-Surveillance State Act, aimed at preventing the Federal Reserve from issuing a central bank digital currency, has passed the House Financial Service Committee. Okay, so American values. This is what the future global digital economy needs. If not open, permissionless and private, just like cash, central bank digital currency is nothing more than a CCP, Chinese Communist Party style surveillance tool that can be weaponized to oppress the American way of life. So this was in this bill and they accepted. There was some argument from Democrats that this is the CBDCs will opening up the technology for the US, but the answer was that Bitcoin and other crypto also opening up, and not just the CBDCs. And CBDCs actually can cause more harm than if it's used like this Chinese style weaponing thing. Next piece of news is Tether acquires stake in Bitcoin miner Northern Data, hinting at AI collaboration. So the strategic investment into Northern Data through Tether Group company Damon may involve collaboration leveraging AI, peer-to-peer communications and data storage solutions. So AI, peer-to-peer and data storage solutions. Tether makes these investments, and this is huge. This is Bitcoin mining, and also Tether is buying Bitcoin from their profits every quarter. Next interesting news, that PayPal rolls out PYUSD stablecoin to Venmo. I think Venmo is belongs to the PayPal ecosystem. So this is why they are rolling out fully in the coming weeks. And let's see if we do have some other points. To select users, and will be rolling out fully in the upcoming weeks. Okay. PYUSD is already present in native crypto experiences and continues to be made more broadly available as the ecosystem grows, said PayPal. In the few weeks since its launch in the open market, PYUSD is already present on select exchanges, including Crypto.com, Bitstamp, Coinbase, and Kraken. Cool. So, guys, that's awesome and huge for PayPal and for crypto adoption. Binance and CEO Changpeng Zhao asked court to dismiss SEC suit. What a surprise! What a surprise! So, let's check this. There's a 60-page petition. Lawyers for Binance and Zhao accused the SEC of failing to introduce clear guidelines for the sector ahead of its lawsuit against the crypto exchange, and as a result had imposed its regulatory authority over the crypto sector retroactively. And this is true, so we cannot argue with this. The SEC pursues these novel theories retroactively, seeking to impose liability for sales of crypto assets that occurred as far as July 2017, before the SEC provided any public guidance concerning cryptocurrency. It is clear the SEC lawsuit has no foundation in the currently enacted securities law. So guys, this is actually true. Let me know, what do you think? There was no clear regulation, and how can you sue somebody if there was no regulation how to do something, and even not a regulation but a guidance or anything other than similar to this. Next piece of news is crime scheme don't cross. Ex-Alameda employee claims firm triggered 87% Bitcoin price plummets in 2021. So this is FTX-Alameda Research. So former employee of Alameda Research, a trading firm led by Sam Bankman-Fried, has unveiled crucial information regarding the dramatic 87% plummet in Bitcoin value during 2021. Incidents which occurred on October 21 witnessed BTC price on Binance US a nosedive from approximately 65,000 to 8,200 within a short period. Inside the details of Bitcoin plunge and alleged manual trading error. The ex-employee alleged that the trading firm was directly responsible for the sudden price drop, attributing it to a manual trading error rather than solely relying on algorithmic trading. So that was a manual trade, and I think they mistyped the amount that they want to sell. Okay. Unlike automated, no. Okay. Alameda's traders' mistake triggered a chain reaction at the fateful day in October. Okay. The incident created a stir on social media. Tens of millions. So that was a huge loss also for them. So guys, let's go and check out my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIK on Twitter at MIKLOS and be sure that you are pushing this notification, and also follow Korean platform and Lazen Punk Guts. So the current tendency of stablecoins, let's use these digital payments assets and enjoy their benefits such as quick transactions and transparency. Join the money in the right direction movement. How are your favorite stablecoins doing this week? So check this top 10 stablecoins by market cap and give a like and share. Oh yeah, Bitcoin is the currency of the internet. The other Jack Mallers, and I agree with him, thinks of Bitcoin as the currency of the internet because of the similar property the retain. The internet has actually similar properties to that of the US. Give a like and share. So, crypto created by the ChatGPT, there is an Ethereum devs already being actively traded and on handful this token. So, next, nearly 80% of all Bitcoin have not moved in the last 6 months. So this is insane. So Bitcoin is not moving. You see, these are the long-term hodlers, and they are just not selling. Immutable X makes noise as IMX dominates top 50 roster with 33% climb. So Immutable X, that was a nice news yesterday, and the IMX price just pumped. Global central bank update. You see the different inflation numbers and rates, real central bank rates and central bank other rates here. Give a like and share. So token 2049 was amazing. This is by mice. Long-term Bitcoin hodlers keep accumulating with long-term hodler supply all-time high. The BTC held by long-term hodlers is also about to break its all-time high. So that means that short-term hodlers left the market. They are confused, they are sold, and long-term hodlers are still holding. Singapore token 2020 new trend, hottest thing in real world assets, RWA, assets on the chain and stablecoins. Technology focus shift from L1 to L2 and Z casing. Regulation in Asia is moving towards more positivity. Many payment companies requirements for compliance and anti-money laundering. So, tokenization of global illiquid assets could potentially become a 16 trillion industry by 2030. So, real world assets is getting huge. Crypto sectors that will drive mass adoption: real world assets, gaming, and AI, according to CoinSpear. Give a like and share. So what the hell is this? This is some combo, Ethereum, Solana, and Celestia together, and this is happening. This is, guys, check this from Russell Brand. So the free speech is not allowed in the media. Give a like and share. So debt is on a one-way street. There is no way to turn back. US debt just crossed 33 trillion, and it's already up another 50 billion, and it's increasing 1 trillion per month, and high US national debt has grown. So Bitcoin sometimes correlates with other markets, sometimes doesn't. There is this nice thread from this into the block, and these are the US dollar index compared to US dollar index, Dow Jones, and the correlation is not so huge. Bitcoin cycles are not scared, just doing what they used to do, and this is similarity in 2014, 2016, and 2021 and 2023, and that was almost the same situation here. Early and late bull market in green, bear market ends in red. So guys, let's make this bigger. You see, these are the buys and bull markets, and these are the bears and the selling markets. And actually it was really long. Our last bull market was really long, but now we are in a new bull. The only thing that can cause a sell signal in break below the green trend, which is priced at 22,500 almost. And looks like the 2019 examples almost the same like in 2019 with this blue that correcting and then boom. Cool. Next piece of news is definitely give a like and share. 10,000 developers on WeChain. Let's celebrate this. Give a like to them. Markets are overextended. This is the 10 years treasury yields are now higher than the global equity yield for the first time since 2007, and this could lead a recession or a drop Great research about high quality, low market cap, high risk reward gaming tokens by Hustlepedia. Give a like and share. And also I posted several things about Vulcan Forge. I really like Vulcan Forge, what they are doing. And also this explanation from the Vulcan Forge CEO about the Lightning Network. And this is really, really spectacular. So watch this, definitely watch this. Okay. So Web3 is part of the new form of capitalism. Web3 is growing well in Japan, and Japanese Prime Minister Fumio Kishida spoke at the WebX Asia conference last week. Web3 is part of the new form of capitalism, he said. Mt. Gox rehabilitation was spinned out to not 10 years, but maybe I wanted to write 1 year. So 1 year. Okay, so give a like and just let's comment it that this is 1 year, not 10 years. Okay. So guys, that's it. Also you can respond and share this. So Federate and also Laserpunk, our NFT launchpad, is preparing. Give a like and share. US doesn't want CBDC yet, and that was a no rate hike, but Mr. Powell said that there is a chance that the soft landing is not possible, so maybe that will be hard landing, and that means recession. So that is why the market is dropping now. Guys, definitely go to PancakeSwap, buy some CorionX, provide some liquidity in CorionX BNB pair, and look up your LPs and earn a juicy APRs here. You can look up your LPs here. So 56% still really great. So use this farm for your benefits. And also guys, join our Telegram at the link in the description. So what else do we have? Yes, the Bitcoin price. As we see, we are back to these levels. This is our support zone at 26,400. We'll see, I think we'll be hovering around here during the weekend. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed, hope you learned something. See you in the next video. Bye bye.